This is a demo of how to use the ShinySky select2 component. Now what I'm going to do now is to run the example that comes with ShinySky via this command in RStudio. And it will open up a web page showing all the different components in ShinySky. So one of the one that we're interested in is select2, as highlighted here. Now you notice that in the first one, if you click on it, you can select a new option to add to the input, or you can delete any of these. Also, you can rearrange them like so, just drag and drop. And this alert here will show you exactly what is being passed back to R. You can see the order actually does matter. Now this is the default for Shiny select2, ShinySky select2, and this is how it's defined. If you look over here, we have the Shiny select2 defined. The first, it's actually very similar to the select2 from Shiny. So the first one is just the ID and then a label, and then what you would do is you have a set of choices, and you have some selected. Select2 input is by default multiple selection. So now by default, the order in which you select the items is also important. So if you remember when we started up the app, it was showing you a B and an A, and the extra one that's missing is C, which is what we have defined in choices. But also with select2, you can type what is not on the initial list of choices as well and add it to the tags. Now if you don't want to do that, you will need to declare a select2 using type equals to select, as done here. Now what type equals select is basically select input, but with the option of having these nice drop downs, and in this case I've chosen multiple to equals to true, so I can select multiple tags. If you don't do multiple equals to, your select2 input would look something like this. Again, if I try to type something that's not already defined, it will show me no matches found. In ShinySky select2 input, you can also use the update select2 input function to update the values of the select2 inputs. As you can see here, when I click update, everything gets updated. Now there's a trick to doing some of these, and this is just something that you just have to remember. Basically, for ShinySky select2 inputs that are defined using the default options, that meaning the type equals to input, you have to use these update select2 input function to update the values. But if you use type equals to select to define your ShinySky input functions, then you can just use the update select input. So this is a simple demo of ShinySky select2 input components.